Hey guys, this is my first time watching this, but we are going to be reacting to the um uh new epic that is in Prodigy, so let's just get into the video. Okay. So it'll send us to a mythical epics. This is called Arcturion, by the way. And this is what it's going to look like. Who am I? So it's another epic that'll cost money. But hopefully they'll let us watch the video, and accidentally opened a conjure cube. But this is the pet, I guess. So Arcturion. This air around Arcturion is always cold. This is because the tips of his fur are made from ice. Sorry, guys. And ice that never melts, and so no matter where he goes, this is always at the comfortable temperature. I kind of wish that this came with the whatever update, the Winterfest, but it didn't. So this is what the new pet looks like. It's kind of weird that it has this little spear or axe on its hand, but it kind of looks, in my opinion, it looks weird. I wish there was a video on it, or like they had the little video. Search is here, Mythical Epics watch. Okay, here we go. Okay, so let's see. Something new is coming. Okay, shows Ola again. At last, a new mythical epic is here. On Arctic winds, this creature appears. So that's fine. This icy fury knows no bounds. To find where it lies, notice my sounds. So it's gonna be like find the notes again, like with Mischief. So I may hack the game. I'll try and do it for you guys so that you can see it, but I'll be right back. Okay, so hacks are down right now, so I cannot hack in, so I battle with it, but yeah, there is a new epic in the game. And yeah, Arcturion, I guess you'll just have to like find stuff from the like the snow piles and the other stuff like this. So like these, I guess you'll like find more of these, and then that'll help you get to the Arcturion like it did with the Mischief. So that's pretty much gonna end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will make a video on battling with it as soon as I can get the epic. And well, actually, before I go, this is what the Arcturus looks like. It's looks a lot different from the Arcturion compared to this. Apparently, I've seen Arcturion, which is actually not true. I have not seen Arcturion, but this is what the black and white version of it looks like. It's more of a power instead of hearts. It's an ice element, and yeah, I'm gonna try and find a picture an Arcturion so I can show you guys what it looks like when it moves. Okay, so I was not able to find any people that have Arcturion. So yeah, that's pretty much gonna end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.